If you want to enable or disable the sleep mode on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, what you can do is you can go to settings. Now over here in settings, we're gonna go to modes and routines on the left side, and over here you should be able to find the sleep option, so you can select it and you can manually turn it on or off just by tapping on this button. But besides that, you can make it automatic. And as you can see, let me actually go back to modes. If you go to turn on automatically, then in here you can set up the schedule. You can add a condition, for example, so you can choose what should happen in order to turn on the sleep mode. So as you can see, the list is quite long. We can find probably something very specific for us, and then of course we want to press done. We can also create the sleep schedule in here as well if needed, but let's actually cancel that. We can also choose distractions that we want to avoid, and also other actions for this mode, like for example we can set up the dark mode, eye comfort shield, and so on and so forth. And we can also change the appearance of our lock screen and home screen, so that you can immediately tell if you have the sleep mode enabled or not. But besides that, you can also open a control panel or the quick settings. And in here, if you actually scroll down, you should be able to find modes where you can actually choose the sleep mode to turn it on or off, just like that. And you can also just tap on the icon when it's enabled to immediately disable the sleep mode. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.